Good morning, guys. There is the Ivanhatu. Yesterday we did a tour. It was really great with Hassan, and I appreciate. He showed us like a beautiful carpet too. Our plan for yesterday, like we tried to leave this place and go to the Dadas Valley, but we had to catch up with other stuff, house tours, also editing the video, so we stay one more night. So today's the day we are gonna leave, and Mark is over there. We filled up our water tank, and we are gonna head to Dadas Valley. Are you ready to go, baby?
Brand new street and brand new me. Side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, already know. Couple days ago.
와자자르트에 들어왔습니다. How can you say in English? 그건 한국어잖아. 여기에서 마지막으로 체인 그 슈퍼마켓을 갈 수 있어요.
The last chance we have to get beer. That's why we're stopping there.
Yeah, right. 아, 진짜. 이러면 내가 다 술쟁인 줄 알다, 얘가. Are you ready to shopping?
Ready?
야채도 사야 돼.
Yeah, good enough?
Yeah.
Your favorite? Yeah.
or 치폴레 다르렸나?
Yeah, Chipotle is really good too.
치폴레 해볼까?
Yeah. Try a new one.
Too
Okay.
greedy, faster. 돈도 없으면 맨날 이런 거만 사면 되는데. 왜 이렇게 타이트해? 이거지? 우리 이거 쓰는 거지? 이거죠. 에그를 잘 먹으니까.
Okay.
For the curry and the 짜장, right?
Okay. Best.
작은 거 있다. 쇼핑은 끝났습니다. 자, 저희는 필요한 맥주. 카스바도 있는 것 같아. 카스바 아닌데? 카스바 맞는 것 같아. 성인가? 여기서 다레스까지는 거의 2시간이 걸립니다.
Look at that. Oh, so cool, huh?
뭘 진짜 뭐야? Oh yeah, I can get it. I got it. 뭐야?
That's so awesome.
While we were driving, I saw something weird, like kind of wicked. Like seriously, what is that? Like something like kind of shooting something? What is that? I had never seen in my life. And look at that. Right there. There's a tower. It looked like, I don't know, how can you say, cone up there. So Hania, what is that?
The solar farm. It looks amazing, right?
Wicked.
It's so awesome. Should we try to get closer up? I think this is enough, right?
We should go, you know why?
Why?
We only drive 8 minutes.
Yeah, but when are you going to see something like that again, right? There it is right there. That's it, right there.
사진은?
There it is.
Wow, that's the huge.
Right?
I never seen this one. Just like this one, like that.
So these are all should be hitting that tower there. They're not right now.
아, 이렇게 샤이닝 하는 거네.
Yeah.
Let's go. We gotta go. Yalla. Hit me if you can. Yalla. 괜찮네. 우리 다레스 처음 오는 거잖아.
Yep.
오.
Wow, look at that.
진짜 예쁘다. 야, 진짜 예쁘네. 하이킹 할 거니까 우리는 맞지? 더 예쁠 것 같은데.
Yeah, I think so.
다데스 밸리로 지금 들어왔습니다. 완전 빨개 진흙 같은 거지, 맞지?
There we go. Oh wow, what a great view this place has.
Yeah, we can park anywhere if you want to.
Park down over here.
Yeah. Guys, we found a place we can stay. This is a hotel parking lot, but they offer the power and shower and also place to sleep, you know? This like this. Look at this. Like that. And the view is amazing. You open the door and you step out. That's what your front view. It's nice, right? So today our drive wasn't that long, but when we got here, it got quite late. Later than what we expected. So we are gonna make a snack. We're making right now. Here.
Well, should I just flip it? Maybe it's burnt.
아니야.
It's good.
Yeah.
Nice.
The reason why we're gonna stay a few nights, we are gonna do hiking tomorrow, and we can do hiking, you know, afternoon, but we prefer to do it in the morning. That like kind of slow, and like eat some lunch on the way. Yeah. All right. Let me finish cooking and then eat some snack. All right.
Okay. Alright. That's good enough for you?
아 진짜 너무한 거 아니야? 코딱지만 하게. 이게 치폴레 테이스트야?
Quite good.
이게 치폴레 테이스트야? I need spicy. Not too spicy. I like the habanero. Good morning, guys. We are gonna do the hiking today, and Mark is like using the wearing the hiking boots.
Yeah.
How many years you kept it?
I've had these for like 5 years now, I think.
Yeah, and then first time to use it.
I've been hiking my Crocs every time.
Today will be a big day. We don't do hike that much. Actually, like since Positano, right?
Yeah.
We didn't do hike.
We don't do big hikes that much.
Yeah.
Like hikes over 10 kilometers. We don't really do that much. This is maybe we do like once a year, maybe.
Yeah, once a year. That's how we do. Alright, let's go. 오늘 하이킹은 10km, right?
Yeah. Kitty.
야, 너 진짜 퍼피다.
Yeah, it's puppy.
Hello, buddy.
너 보이구나. 어? 보이구나.
Yeah. Off-road club. Bonjour. Oui, ça va. I scared them with the camera.
Look at this. It's amazing. Sometimes nature is doing something. It's just remarkable. Echo. Ah, Echo. It looks like a cake, right?
Yeah.
Kind of layered cake. We found another kasbah. I think like no one is like living in there, and just it's abandoned. Because Hassan told us like when people move out, they take their window frame, also door, and it looks like right some mud just didn't take care of them much. 얼마 안 걸었는데 지금 스니커즈 2개째야. 먹으면서 가야겠어요.
We're gonna go all the way through this valley, and it's this mountain range here that we have to go all the way around. That's pretty far.
We are halfway an hour hiking, and then we we meet friends. Whee!
That little guy's stuck. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah, there he goes. You can do it. There's his family, leaving him behind. There he comes. Yalla. Yalla. Good. Oh, that's a really tiny one, huh? You found this family.
Bon appetit. Okay, it's time to have lunch break. Yay! Because we have a shade. We found a place to have a nice shade and also like bench. We can sit on the rock. And I made a kimbap. It's a 동그라미 kimbap. It's simple. So for preparing this lunch and breakfast, I woke up 5:40 a.m. because eating is more important. 동그라미 kimbap is a simple way to make a kimbap.
Yeah, I got mine here.
Yours is kind of fat.
Mine's supposed to be the pretty one, right?
Lunch is done. It's packing, and we are gonna finish our hiking. 어디로 가야 돼 이제?
Okay, so I think this is the shorter way to go.
우리 여기지.
Someone's nice enough to put a little thing there.
Excuse me.
Add to it.
Ooh. Right.
Perfect. Huh, you're finding the path pretty well. You're like a tracker. Go through that little notch over there.
나초?
Notch.
나초가 뭐야?
Bye bye, puppy.
We met some other hikers, and they were coming to opposite way of like what we are doing it. But man, look at this. This is amazing. This is the how can you say top of cherry? 맞나? Cherry on the top? Yeah, it is. What Mark say. It's really stunning. It's just amazing. Is it worth it to do a hike up here? Wow.
Holy smokes. That is nice. All right, we're back.